Nike Air Max 90. Clear Jade Racing 2025 colorway. The sneakiest of the group, the Air Max 90 Racing in Clear Jade, is being officially unveiled as we anticipate these intense hues arriving on store shelves. The inner logo and the black mudguard and sole combination, for those who haven't seen the motosport capsule before, unify them. Except for the clear jade accenting that pops through the branding and air bubble, the Air Max 90 showcased here undoubtedly goes the furthest in creating that midnight ambience, completely encasing the shoe in deep monochromes. As we wait to see what stops the company will release in the future, this racing pack is one of the first significant milestones on that path. It serves as another reminder that Nike is obviously treating the model's 35th anniversary seriously. SRP is estimated to be at $130 US.